Welcome back. In this video, we will be learning about the different levels of mind. And this is an amazing concept because most people think that we do not have different levels of mind, rather we have different types of mind or we have different parts of mind, right? Most people call it conscious mind, subconscious mind and unconscious mind. In terminology of psychology, people name it as conscious mind. In Hindi, it is called Chetan Man. Subconscious mind, in Hindi, it is called Avchetan Man. And unconscious mind, in Hindi, we call it Achetan Man. Right? So, what exactly is conscious mind, subconscious mind, and unconscious mind? Are actually these different parts of our mind? No. Actually, they are different levels of our mind. The same mind works, functions at different levels. So, what are these different levels? Conscious mind, the level of conscious mind, subconscious mind, and the level of unconscious mind. According to psychology, the nomenclature is conscious mind, subconscious mind, and unconscious mind. In NLP, we combine these two, that means the subconscious and unconscious mind, and we call it unconscious mind. We give it one name, and that is unconscious mind. We are talking about the levels of mind. Right? So, most people have read the book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. When they read this book, they think that subconscious mind is something which is very, very powerful, and they do not know about the unconscious mind. Actually, the mind functions at different levels. I will give you the example of a smartphone where you will be able to relate and you will get to know yourself in a better way. Let's understand this concept with the help of a mobile phone. Here I have a mobile phone, and on this mobile phone, when I switch it on, that means I unlock it, I can see that something appears on the screen. Suppose if I open the dialer, right? So once I open this phone, I see that the dialer is available on the screen. That means this is something which is being processed right now at this moment. But if I just click here, right? So I can see that what are the other applications. My WhatsApp is open in the background and this dialer is also there. So that means once I click over here, I can see that what are the processes that are going on in the background. On the front only dialer was open, but in the background my WhatsApp was also open. Suppose now if I go to my gallery, and I open some particular picture, right? Suppose I open this picture. So now this picture is stored inside the hard disk of this mobile phone. That means inside the memory card or maybe internal storage. And once I open this picture, then only it comes on the screen. So this will help us understand these different levels of mind. Something which is going on in the present moment is being processed at the conscious level of your mind. Something that is going on in the background, it is at the subconscious level of your mind, and something which is stored inside your mind, which exists in your memory, but right now you don't have any awareness of it. It is at the unconscious level of your mind. That means it is stored in the unconscious, right? When we talk about NLP, we combine these two and we give it the name unconscious mind. So it makes the things very simple, that wherever things are in your awareness, it is the conscious level. That means those things are at the conscious level of your mind, and the things which are not in your awareness, all those things exist at the unconscious level. So conscious level means awareness and unconscious means lack of awareness. So right now you are looking, just look into my eyes, you are looking at me. So right now my image is at your conscious level, right? You are conscious about what you are seeing. But if I ask you that what is the texture and temperature around the thumb of your right leg, yes, So now your awareness shifted from this picture to your thumb, and you read those information that what exactly is the temperature or texture around my thumb of right leg, right? Before this command, that means before I asked this question, this feeling was there, but it was not getting processed. It was not in your awareness. It was there, but it was not in your awareness. So that particular feeling, that particular information was at the subconscious level. And if right now I ask you that just think of a birthday party or a celebration that you thoroughly enjoyed, so again this memory will pop up, and this memory will pop up from the unconscious level. That means this memory existed, but this existed at the unconscious level. Right now you are focusing about on it, that's why it has popped up and came into your awareness. So this is how mind is functioning at the three different levels: conscious level, subconscious level, and unconscious level. Since we are learning NLP, we are learning the foundation concepts of NLP. So we will be focusing more on the unconscious mind and conscious mind. We will not talk about the subconscious mind, because subconscious is actually the part of unconscious mind in NLP nomenclature. That means in NLP terminology. So let's understand what is the relevance of conscious and unconscious levels of our mind. In our life, we do very few things with awareness, and whatever comes to our awareness gets processed at the conscious level. But all those things about which we are not aware, they are getting processed at the unconscious level of our mind. That means all your feelings, your memories, your behavior patterns, your thought processes, everything exists at the unconscious level of your mind. It gets stored in your unconscious, and once you focus over there, that means once your awareness goes to a particular point, then those files get unlocked and they come in your awareness. From unconscious level, they come on the conscious level, right? So in this video, I hope you got the clarity that our mind functions at different levels. It is not so that we have different minds. The same file can exist at conscious level, unconscious level, or subconscious level, right? As I already told you that in NLP we will call the subconscious and unconscious together as unconscious, right? So the file exists at conscious level also and unconscious level also. It is just the game of awareness. If you are aware of it, it is at the conscious level. If you are not aware of it, it is at the unconscious level, right? So I hope you got this clarity, and in the next video I will be sharing the iceberg model of human mind. That means how your mind is similar to a massive iceberg. So live the life that you deserve, and I will see you in the next video.